welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Hi, I have posted a video about 2 years ago, so it's not really a consistent video, but hi and welcome. My name is May or Marie, but people call me May. In a positive headspace with positive people that I wanted to just do a video. I just want to get out there and just express myself and just do me and just do a video today. So it's spring is around the corner, and I just wanted to do something that's lively, something that can just get me or everybody out this come on winter get out the way funk. So I already did my brows off camera, and I'm just gonna go right into the face. So I like to moisturize my face with aloe vera. Love aloe vera. This is the aloe vera gel that I got from our local beauty supply store, and also I like to moisturize my skin with the Lubriderm. Here I like to use the Lubriderm, and this is the daily moisturizer for normal to dry skin, because I do have a bit of combination skin. I don't have anything to push out the way, so we're just gonna have to just tuck her behind my ears. And this is a wig that I did myself. It was a wig, yo. For foundation, I'm going to be using a nudie, but I really like this guy. This is the Makeup Revolution. This is their foundation, the Conceal and the Fine foundation, and it's in full coverage. This is in the color F16, and I like to go in with it with a flat top powder brush. This is an OG powder brush. This is the e.l.f. one here. Love that. And I like to kind of go over that again with a wet beauty blender, which I'm using the Sephora one, which is actually hands down really good. So I really don't know what the look I'm going for today, so I'm just gonna go in this freehanding everything. I may have put a little bit too much foundation on, but okay. So I only wore this foundation once, so I kind of forgot how the coverage go, and I really forgot if I did get a nice color for me or not. I like to bring it down a little bit down the neck area, so it can kind of have that a blend. The concealer I'm using today is going to be from Sephora. This is the Sephora Bright Future. This is their gel serum concealer, which I really do like. I forgot who put me on to this concealer, but I really love this concealer. I use this one to highlight, and this is in the color Pot de Creme 16. And to contour, I like to use the color Devil's Food, which is the color 20, number 20. And so that's my lightest, and that's my darkest. And also I did pick up a new concealer from them. This is their Make No Mistake Full Coverage Concealer in the color Cinnamon, number 12, Cinnamon. In the color Cinnamon, in the color number 12, Cinnamon. What to do is I like to first start out on placing the color this color down first. Hey guys, so right here I'm just gonna be doing a quick voiceover so we can kind of get things sped up a little bit. So we're gonna have a 45-minute video. So right here I'm just gonna be using the concealer, and I'm going to be applying it under my eyes, the chin, top lip, tip of my toes, tip of my toes, tip of my nose, and on my forehead here. And then after that, I will be applying the lighter concealer, which is the Sephora concealer in the color Cinnamon. It's like a creaseless concealer, and I will be applying that one just under my eyes and literally on the tip of my nose. Here I'm using the color in Devil's Food, and I'm just going to be contouring my cheekbones and also just my cheekbones. And then I like to use the leftover of that, and I will go under my nose and under my chin and just on my jawline because I have gained weight being in a happy relationship, and it shows, and I'm loving it. Then here I'll just use the Black Radiance concealer, and I'll just put that on my nose and blend that out with an angle brush. After I apply all the concealer, contour, foundation, it's time for me to set everything that's my face. So what I'm using to set is the Maybelline Loose Free, completely butchered that, is the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in the color medium. Alyssa Ashley, shout out to her, I love her. She put me onto this, and when she did, I was just like, wow. Drugstore, even though I am a drugstore queen, drugstore, I never knew about this powder. I knew about Airspun, but Airspun kind of gave me a cast sometimes, so I never really just like Airspun. So I'm going to be using this taper contour face brush. It's a very dome type brush. Pick up the powder, dust it out, and I'm just going to set under my eyes. It's not really considered baking, and I was out making it. I'm sauteing it. I'm not baking, I'm sauteing. Just let it sit, and when to contour, I love to use the Morphe Brown Tour, and it's right here. This is how the baby look right here. Beautiful, and it's in the color Show Dance. I like to use a fluffy brush here, and I actually just stay towards the middle of it, and a little bit I go down a little bit, but I stay towards the middle, and I just contour first, and then I'll quickly just bronze my skin. I love this powder because this powder literally just brings everything into my skin back to my skin. Like this is just beautiful powder. So for the rest of my face, I'm going to be going in with the Ruby Kisses Never Touch Up face powder. It is in the color Honey Brown, and I like this powder just to dust my face. I'm using this is a bigger, fluffier brush. I like to use this powder just to kind of go a bit more to dust this out, and this will tie everybody together. And I literally use a very light hand when it comes to this part here. I'm done with my face. Well, the gist of my face, I'm gonna go to my eye. Hello, welcome closer to my face. So first and foremost, I'm just gonna blend out the foundation that I have onto my eyelids, and I do want to do a cute little funky color because it is spring around the corner, and we're trying to get out of this drag of winter. So I do have the Morphe 35M palette. This is their Boss Mode palette, which is so freaking pretty. So I'm going to just go in and use this palette to do my face. Alright, so I'm going in with color Sweet Beats. I can't say that color right. Sweet Beats. And I will be applying that color on the majority of my eyelid and keeping a V shape towards the outer part of my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with more of a blendier brush, and I'm going to blend out the edges to have it nice and seamless. Here I go in with the color Fired Up. And Fired Up is such a beautiful burnt orange. And I'm just going to be using that with a packer brush. And I'm going to be packing that color all over my lid here. So it's kind of like a cut crease, but more of a very soft cut crease, if you know the gist I'm trying to go here. We're going to be using Concealor on the outer part of my eyes, and I'm going to deepen that up with the color Transformer here. And with Transformer, we're going to make sure Transformer, it just really stays on the outer portion of my eyes, so it can kind of really smoke it out and just give it such a nice deep contrast. I'll go back with the color Fired Up and also with the color Concealer, and I put on both sides of the brush, and so I can have those colors pop out a little bit more towards it on my lid. And then after that, I will go in with the same two colors, and I will concentrate those colors under my eyes. Here I'll go in with a liner. This is the black Radiance liner, and I start off with a small wing, but I never get the chance to do a small wing. I always make my small wings big wings. And so right here, I just kind of go back to my brows to define them and add a bit more of those little cute little hairs in the front, so it can look a little bit more natural towards the front. But at the end, I like my ends to be pretty dark and sharp. So I do use I use an eyeshadow for this part. I have been using eyeshadow for years, and the eyeshadow I'm using is going to be this Kiss palette, which is the taupe and the black. The black isn't too deep, so that's why I like to use that one towards the end of my brows. To finish up my eyes, I am going to be applying, really love this look, I'm going to be going in with this neon green. I'm going to use these two greens here. Use the matte green first. Yes. Yes. And I'm actually gonna kind of bring it in, over, and in. Yes. For blush, I'm going in with this palette here. Very old school palette. It's an OBH Cosmetic palette. And I'm gonna go in with this very pinky peachy color. It has a little reflex to it. I'm not a huge blush person, so I'm just applying just a bit onto my cheeks, just to kind of give me a little something to highlight. I'm actually gonna go in. It's My RAYE palette has been out for quite a few times, and a couple times when I went to the BH Cosmetics website, it was sold out, so I never got the chance to actually get the palette before. I'm gonna go in color Radiance. Wow, that brush is coated. It's coated. And I'm gonna go in on the sides of my cheeks, and I also get this valuable step. We're gonna go twice because I forgot to spray my face. So I'm gonna go in on the highest part of my cheeks. I know y'all may say I overdid it with the setting spray, but I like my stuff to melt in my skin. I want my skin to soak it all up and just be like, ooh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. This is so pretty. So now that my skin is just a nicely, she's pretty. Go in with the Radiance again, and I'm just gonna just oh my god, this is pretty. I am going to go in the highest parts of my face, my chin. Ooh, RAYE. Yes. Woo! I love this palette. I'm so mad. Marshall's had it and I was just like, yes. I have this little blending brush and I'm personally gonna go into color Moonlight because I have to just, I had to do that. I needed to do that. I love when my nose has this little, we're going to color Moonlight. Let's put those in the little higher parts of my nose. And I'm gonna mix Moonlight and Radiance just a bit because Moonlight is a little too light for me. So I'm just gonna put the mix of them both in my bridge of my nose. Just pat that out. Perfect. Maybe this is a little too highlighted, but it's never too much highlight. Y'all was, and I'm just gonna really just apply Moonlight in the inner part of my eyes, because that there, yes. I'm just gonna dust. I personally don't like powder on my forehead like that. I kind of steer away from that, but I'm just gonna lightly, just a little bit on my forehead. And for my lips, I'm gonna be going in with the NYX Cosmetics lingerie lips paint, and this is in the color Teddy. I'm on my lips with the JCAT lip pencil in the color dark brown. It may be a little too dark for me, but I think I lightly, just lightly, and then I'm going with Teddy. Teddy, girls. Teddy. This is the completed look, you guys. I love this look. It was random. This was something that I was just trying out the colors. This is the first time that I'm using these concealers, and I will say I love the concealer. The highlighter made it. I love the highlighter, and this is a cute everyday look. It's nothing too dramatic, and it's nothing too, you know, hard, because I only really use just 4 eyeshadows. So I love it. It's so cute and it's so spring. I'm just ready for spring. I'm ready to shoot out some more spring looks. Thanks guys, and thank you for coming in and watching this video with me. Thank you for bearing with me, because this is literally my second YouTube video ever, and I just want to thank you, and I promise that I will be whipping these videos out because I am on a roll and I just enjoy everything. I really had fun doing this video today. It was super fun, and I will say I love this look. This look is very spring, even though we're not there yet, but I am so ready for spring, and I can't wait to whip out more videos for you guys. Thank you again. Hope to see you soon. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. I am a Twitter person now. Follow me on Twitter. I will have more updates there, and all the products will be listed down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye.